Setting up your Sceptre 30-inch curved gaming monitor begins with proper assembly. You have two main mounting options to choose from. The ergonomic stand provides tilt adjustment from -5 degrees to +15 degrees. This allows you to find the perfect viewing angle for comfortable gaming sessions. Alternatively, you can use a VESA 100 by 100 millimeter mount for wall or arm mounting. This standard mounting pattern offers more flexibility in positioning your monitor. Now let's examine the connection options. The connection type you choose significantly impacts your monitor's performance and available features. DisplayPort 1.2 is your optimal choice. It provides the highest refresh rates and full access to all monitor features, including adaptive sync technologies. HDMI 2.0 serves as a secondary option. While functional, it may limit your refresh rate depending on the resolution you're using. Some models offer USB-C connectivity for single cable solutions. This can provide up to 65 watts of power delivery, perfect for charging laptops while displaying video. Before connecting your monitor, ensure you have adequate space and proper preparation. A 30-inch monitor requires specific considerations. Your desk must be at least 36 inches wide to properly accommodate the monitor. This ensures comfortable viewing and prevents the monitor from hanging over the edges. Finally, download and install the latest GPU drivers before connecting your monitor. This ensures optimal compatibility and prevents potential display issues during setup. With proper assembly, the right connections, adequate space, and updated drivers, your Sceptre 30-inch curved gaming monitor is ready for the next step: optimal settings and calibration. Now we'll configure the optimal settings through the monitor's on-screen display menu. These settings will maximize your gaming performance and visual quality. Access the OSD menu using the buttons on your monitor. Navigate to the display settings to begin configuration. First, set the overdrive to normal. This prevents inverse ghosting while maintaining good response times for smooth motion. Enable FreeSync to eliminate screen tearing. You must enable this in both the monitor OSD and your GPU driver software. Set color temperature to 6500K for accurate colors, or use user mode for custom calibration. This ensures proper color reproduction. Adjust brightness to 25 to 30% and contrast to 75%. These values provide optimal visibility without eye strain. For gaming performance, enable game mode and set response time to the fastest setting. This minimizes input lag and motion blur. If your monitor supports HDR, set it to auto mode. This allows automatic HDR activation when compatible content is detected. If you experience flickering with FreeSync enabled, update your GPU drivers and verify you're using a high-quality DisplayPort or HDMI cable.